Got a repair project here. Somehow they lost the tusk. These need to be remade. Make some tenons to put in there. And the trunk is cracked here. It's got a lot of movement. Let me just preface this. I have no idea what I'm doing. And I know that I shouldn't have the air conditioner right by the lathe. Okay, that is all. Ooh, baby, that thing is smooth. I learned about this stuff. Mylan's high build friction polish from going to the maker camp. I met, his Instagram handle is Tech Ed Fireman, I believe. And he had a booth set up there where we were making pins. And man, I don't think you can see that on the camera, but this thing has got such a smooth finish on it. It almost feels like it has like a polyurethane finish on it, and there's nothing. It's just a friction polish. So awesome. All right, are you gonna fit? Oh! Oh! Check that out. It's gonna work. That's pretty cool. All right. I think that I got it pretty close. So at this point, I'm gonna go through the grits on the sandpaper and yeah, see if I can get it over there. No, I'm not gonna lie, that one's just a little loose. Nothing a little wood glue can't fix. Alright, to fix the crack I used one of these dental syringes with some wood glue to get the wood glue in the crack, and then I was pretty proud of this. I came up with this because the glue was not black. I took some of my micro powder. After I wiped it off, I kind of smeared the micro powder down into the glue to hide the glue joint. I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for this, but since this tenon was cut down a little bit further than it should have been, I took some paper in my giant Duresta knife and I cut a thin strip like that. Yeah, you see what I'm doing there? And listen to this. Tight, right? Well, it's because I wrapped paper around it. Look, where does paper come from? Good. Yay! Trees, yeah, that's right. And trees are made of money. Yay! Yeah, that's correct. So I'm gonna saturate this paper with wood glue, and then I'm gonna shove it in there. All right, it's all together, all cleaned up. Got its tusk. If I did this repair in 2 hours, then it was worth it. If not, I didn't quote it right, but it was still fun. Right? It was fun.